Watch our videos. Watch our videos. Watch them. 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 Watch them.
Last night, the baby woke me up. I went to bed at 8:30. Woke me up at 9. And then went back to bed. Woke me up at 9:30. And then went back to bed. Woke me up at 10:30 maybe. Went back to bed. Woke me up at 12. Went back to bed. Woke me up at 2. Went back to bed. And then it woke me up at like 6:40, 6:50. Oh my! It was either it was hungry or it just wanted to be held. That's the only reason why. And now the baby's like feeding. Have to crop it up so I can record the baby. You hear it? See? That's what happened. And I got it in a cute little outfit. He's so adorable. That's the little key. But yeah, that's. Babe, it's not as bad as people say it is. It really isn't. It's just it's hard when you try and do something. You have to hold it or get somebody else to hold it. Okay, I want to clear some things up. You know, from my last video. About, you know, all the black people and making me sound like, you know, I'm racist. I'm really not, because I've been getting like comments and stuff from people and Brandon and Alex saying that I'm racist or I actually sound racist. I really am not trying to sound racist, but I'm not. I'm not racist, and it's the truth. So, I'm not racist, guys. And my question for you guys is your refrigerator running? Okay. Brandon's question is, what do you think, am I against or for the Muslim house of worship? I've actually never heard of it. I've never heard it on the TV. I've never heard them talking about it. So I'm not sure what's going on, but from when you heard they're trying to like build something near a Muslim like church, I guess you're talking about, worship place, near Ground Zero. Okay, from what you're telling me, I guess I'm for it because it's people's religion. That's what just because, you know, they're Muslim, you know, doesn't mean anything. It's like saying Asians can't go to school. Like, you know, it's just like Bob. If one Bob robs a place, doesn't mean you can't exclude all Bobs. You know, like Brandon said, it's kind of stupid. So, I guess I'm for it because it's people's religion, or, you know, whatever. Alex's question was, do you like his TV? I think my TV's bigger, not in my room, but in the living room. So, I do like your TV. It's just, I think ours is better. Well, you know what, guys? I did this whole vlog. Wish